Okay, wake up. Fingering fingers flaming back. So that people can see more clearly, I've replaced it with a new gut. You can use a tweezer or a small stick. Put this thread and push Cho inwards. Adjust it to like this. It's tilted in an angle. The goal is that the fire is not completely extinguished. After you wipe your hand, it will continue to hide under this cotton, to look like the fire is out. And then when the wind blows a little bit, it continues to burn. Show it to everyone. Corn fiber oblique to one side. See, the fire didn't go out completely. When there's a little wind, it comes back.